Welcome and welcome back to another video, y'all. Today we are about to pack up our belongings and go to our mom's house for the weekend just to spend time with her and stuff like that. So I'm about to pack my pajamas. These are the pajamas that I got for my birthday, and I'm about to find a bag to put this stuff in, and then girl stuff is already packed, so I ain't gotta worry about day stuff. Just packing my stuff, and then we're about to go. All right, y'all, so we're heading out to the car to go ahead and pack everything up. It's about to rain, so we gotta hurry up. So we made it to my mom's house. Oh, I hear the PD. Y'all, we made it. Let me turn this light on. We made it, yeah. I'm gonna put my stuff down in this closet. Let me grab my other stuff. And I have to relax because it is about to rain, y'all. So we'll probably come back once we whatever we do later on. All right, y'all, it is a new day, and I have taken down the bracelet I had in my hair, and I'm gonna get ready to wash it because it is super dirty. Look at all that product buildup. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's product buildup everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and then blow dry it out and just put it up into a ponytail until I get back, and then I'm gonna do a quick weave style. So let's go ahead and get into this. Y'all, so I blow dry my hair, my ponytail. I blow dried it, and I just put on this hat. I ain't do nothing to my edges. I just put on this hat because when I come back, I'm going to do a quick weave on myself. So, and then I'll put on this shirt. We going to choir rehearsal, so I just put on this shirt, these jeans, and then these. You could call them Crocs, but they're not Crocs from Walmart. So I'm about to put my earrings in just to give it a look somewhat decent. Yeah, to look somewhat decent, and then I'll be ready and I'll catch y'all. If not while I'm driving, then when we get to our destination. So see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, we made it up here to the church, but it's not time for rehearsal yet, and I finally remembered to bring my tripod so that when I park I could use it. But probably after this, we're going to go to Five and Below so I could just get the car mount. The phone mount to go in here so that I could just put my phone up and stuff like that. But we ain't really doing nothing. We probably for to rehearse these songs, and then we'll come back later when we hit Five and Below. So I'm going to catch y'all in a few. All right, y'all. We going through the car wash. This is my first time going through the car wash with my car. I can take this down because I know that this one wasn't doing nothing. Smell it. Wasted money getting that, but they gave me a thing. I'm gonna put it on there after we clean out the car. So y'all enjoy this clip right here because we ain't finna do no talking. down.
Huh?
They put my car down. Dang, they ain't got much spot. Dang. Shoot, I know I'm part cricket, but
Use the rug.
huh?
The small.
Think I should put them in there?
Put them in what?
No, this is dirty towel.
No, the blue thing you grab it and you clean your mat with it.
Oh,
I just seen it.
it's windy out here. Can you grab that bottle right now? Thank you. Alright, y'all, so we finished with cleaning out the car, which y'all seen in the last clip. Now we finna go ahead and go home because it's 4:43 and we practically been out majority of the day, haven't we? Yeah. Damn, my seat feel like it's all the way up there. So we'll catch y'all. What was that? We'll catch y'all once we get to the house. Okay, y'all, so this is what I got so far. Hopefully y'all can see it. I don't know why I just did that, but hopefully y'all can see it. What? Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna blow dry and let it get dry. Okay, y'all, so I have the hair. And it's the glossy 100% virgin Remy hair in the inches 18, 20, and 22. And I'm about to just glue these in. tracks. Hopefully, I'll lay them on good because I'm about to cut this short. I finally got the stocking cap cut, so now we can do the leave out. And then I'm gonna take the flat iron it and go in. It's got to be sprayed out. I don't know how to do no leave out because normally when I used to do quick weaves, I used to do perm my hair, my leave out, and then do it like that. But I'm not doing it this time, so I'm gonna see if these two items will work on my leave out. So we'll see. Okay, and then I'll go. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Hold on, I'm coming, Mom. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this stocking cap on and I'm gonna blow dry it. And I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of my hair. I think it came out really good. It's just the only thing is I know my hair is going to frizz back up because it's kind of doing it in the back. I don't know if y'all can really see, but it's kind of doing it in the back, and that's really irritating me. But overall, this is a good little style as a quick weave. So yeah, I like it. Welcome back to another video, y'all. Today we are here at the church and we're about to lay down this mulch. It's a surprise for the church family. pastor leaders. It's a surprise, so they don't know the really doing this. We got 2 big bags. I feel like this should be enough if we evenly spread it right. So, look at it. I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all see us put it up. So, be back. So we did the mulch. This is how it looks. We will have to come back and lay more just to clear up those little patches. But for now, this is how it looks. By the way, y'all, we tried to surprise her, and right when we started laying down the mulch, she pulled up. So not really a surprise no more. Not really a surprise no more. But we're going to get like 2 more bags, and then I don't know if we're doing that today though. But we'll get 2 more bags and lay it down. But it looks 100% better, so that's a plus. But we finna go ahead and head home, y'all. So I don't be like I ain't at the advanced level yet to record while I'm driving. So I'm gonna just catch y'all when we get to the house. So all right, y'all, we are back with another video, and right now we are just in Rose's shopping for toys. And so far I found one of these cute little car seats for their dolls, and then I got my youngest baby this slide, and then those Legos. And we're just trying to find a few little things to go ahead and get it out the way early. This glow pad is cute. We're just trying to grab a few little things to go ahead and get the Christmas shopping started. But I'm gonna come back once we find everything we need, and I'll show y'all what all we got. So see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I'm about to show y'all. Let me put y'all on. Actually, no, I'm gonna just hold y'all. Don't mind my room, it's messy. But so this is what we ended up getting. We ended up getting this Kid Deluxe slide, along with this grocery store self-checkout center, and then we ended up getting this fashion dress-up set for the girls, and 2 of these. That's all we got so far. We're gonna save the rest of shopping for a little bit later. Just wanted to go ahead and grab a few things since we had, you know, the means to do it. So thanks to their grandma, we were able to go ahead and get a few little things out the way. So yeah, we got it out the way. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap what I can wrap up with these. We got this one, and then we got this one. So I don't have no tape, so I'm hoping that this tape will work. I had some, but I don't know where it went, so we just gonna use what we have and go ahead and get this stuff taped up and put under the tree. All right, that's the best I can do. Oh, damn, my phone's set. Who names you putting on that one? This, both of theirs. Okay. All right, y'all, so I decided I'm not gonna wrap this big one. It's just gonna stay how it is. I wrapped those 2, and then I'm gonna get 2 big gift bags, well, Christmas bags, and then put those 2 in there and seal the top of the gift bag. So this is how it looks so far. Okay, y'all, so today is officially like everything that you've seen previously. I believe that was about a week ago. And it is about to be, we are about to get ready to enter into a new week. Like tomorrow's about to be Sunday, and we're going to be starting a whole nother week. So actually, I think that was about 2 weeks ago. That was about 2 weeks ago. And today we did go to outreach. We go to outreach, I think every 4th Saturday of the month, if I'm not mistaken. Every 4th Saturday of the month we do outreach, and it was really good. We did a prayer circle where each person, it goes around to each person and we say a prayer for the specific community that we went to for that day, and it was really powerful, really good. Right now I'm just about to watch a movie on Netflix. I actually already started watching the movie. I'm gonna tell y'all what movie I'm watching. Hold on. Okay, so the movie that I'm currently watching is, wait, where did the name go? I hate when I do that. I think it unfroze. Oh, there it go. Sorry y'all. It's called Big George Foreman. I believe he was a heavyweight champion. I think that was a boxer. Y'all, I don't know. I just seen it because the trailer had got my attention, showing him as a child and him being bullied because he was less fortunate than the other kids, and it showed like where his fighting stemmed from, which it also makes you think like deeper on the spiritual level. He battled with the spirit of anger. He really did battle with the spirit of anger, but I don't know how the movie plays out, but it appears that he, instead of taking his anger out on, well, technically, y'all, he never overcame the spirit of anger, because instead you took the anger and got into a profession so that you could legally take your anger out on people. So he never really overcame the spirit of anger. Dang, when you really think about that. But so far what I'm watching is a pretty good movie. So if y'all have seen this or y'all want to watch it, let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. And I'm gonna be back once the food is ready. My sister is cooking lasagna, homemade garlic bread, and she made fried fish with it. Oh, and corn. So I'm gonna show y'all my plate. May do like a little mini mukbang here or there so y'all can see what I'm eating. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish watching this, and I'll be back once everybody is able to eat. All right, y'all, the food is done. The lasagna, corn, and fish. I'm gonna fix my plate right now. So, oh, by the way, light's still not fixed, so we just be using my ring light low key. But let me put y'all over here. Actually, I'm just gonna get on. A small one. Okay, I'm just right here. I will have to use the bathroom now. I may have to use the bathroom until I came in here. Get some more of that ranch? Yeah. I'll let some too. I think it's your room. It's not going to, but I don't know what to do about it. All right. Here's my bowl, y'all. You said what the other one? In the back. You got a couple of them, I think. King, what you want? King, think I'm from the house. Oh, this look good. Y'all bought it like this? Try to make it. Say what? Bree, get mine. I don't use like a doubt now. A lot. Y'all should have told me to bring that ranch from my house. I got all that food at the house still there. I know, we have forgot to get the stuff you told us to get. Yeah. We had so much stuff going on. I like spoons. I like food. Yeah, I like the spoons. Yeah, that's a whole cereal, milk, yogurt, all that stuff. Y'all, we had to use some Zaxby sauce because we ran out of our I said sauce, Zaxby ranch, because we ran out of our ranch. So all right, I'm about to get ready to take my food in the room so I can eat. But I'm gonna grab something to drink. I think I'll go with this. Grab one of these and I'm gonna go eat. So let's go. I'm gonna come back, y'all, because I gotta use the bathroom. So I'm gonna come back on here in a few minutes. All right, y'all, I'm back. And no, I'm not eating. Like, my food is not over my bed. I have my, I'm gonna show y'all. I got it like this so I could watch. Because we, sold the game. Because my husband kind of want to do away with the game. So we just got a big TV in here for nothing. So I just be watching my movies on my computer. Let me try some of this corn. Wait a minute. Amen. That's good. If y'all made it this far to this video, let me know if you that just popped everywhere. Let me know if you eat fried fish with pasta. Like, because honestly, it don't even just have to be spaghetti. Like, if you eat fried fish with lasagna, with Alfredo, with some other type of pasta, let me know. Or what's something that you like to eat fried fish with other than the traditional way? Oh yeah, by the way, I don't think she did the garlic bread because I don't remember seeing it unless it's in the oven. I'll have to go back and see. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be back probably later on. I don't know, I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos to come. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.